Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today we will learn about the Capcut application. I would like to show you the way how you can get the underwater effect and the instant glow effects for your video clip. I already prepared the video clip here, so the next thing you need to do is just take a look on this button feature. There will be an effects there, just go click it and click the video effects on it. And now in the search button, to make you easier and fast find the effect, you just need to type the water effects or whatever it is related to water, and then just need to go click search, and there will be like a lot of water effects that you can access here. So you just need to like find which effects that you are perfectly match with the editing that you want to have for your video, or if you want to have the specific one, you just need to type the underwater, and then just need to wait until all this uploaded here, and then you just need to find the type of the underwater effect that you want to apply. I would like to suggest you to use this droplets, or you can also use this water reflections too. And right after that, you just need to go click cancels and go click this checklist button. Make sure that this effect is applied into the whole video, so you just need to drag this endpoint into the whole of the clip. That is the first thing you have to do. And then the next thing is adding the instant glow. You just need to go back and just visit the same way, which is the effects and video effects. And then now you just need to type glow, go click search, and there will be also show you or give to you the glow effects that you can use for your video. There will be like this edgy glow, these two options, and then you just need to pick one of them. This is the first one and this is the second one. It's quite the same, but for the second one, you can adjusting the intensity of the glow. If you want to make like extra glow, just drag it into the right side under like 100%, and then you just need to go back by go click cancels again and checklist button and drag this effects into the end of the clip. And now here is the result. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this video a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.